Hello collectors, welcome to an episode of Y Team Hot Wheels. In this episode, let's check a 2022 some QCase cars and Fast and Furious set. So our first car is a 1971 Mustang funny car. Has a treasure hunt for QCase. A beautiful sparkling maroon car with golden 5-spoke rims, a chrome interior and chrome exhaust pipe with bumpers. Our second car is a Matt and Debbie's Hay, a 1988 Pro Street Thunder, in metallic pink color with 5-spoke chrome rims and a grey base, with plastic headlights and chrome taillights. A recolor, a Honda Super Cub with white base and red body. A 1981 Camaro, a non-super treasure hunt version with 5-spoke grey rims, sparkling green body color with black interior. A recolor for a custom Honda Civic, this time in red with white bumpers and hood, 5-spoke chrome rims on front and disc rims on back. A 1972 Ford Grand Torino Sport with orange body, chrome bumpers and 5-spoke chrome rims. A recolor for Lotus Emira, this time in blue. A beautiful car with black rooftop. Ford Shelby GT 350R in a beautiful metallic blue paint job with detailed tail light and grey spoke rims. A recolor for McLaren Elva in blue with racing decals on hood top with black interior and 10-spoke grey rims. Ford Escort RS 1600 in rally livery with a great decals on side, white spoke rims with a blue body. Porsche 911 GT3 in matte black color with detailed tail lights and plastic headlights. A 2006 Pontiac GTO in a beautiful black body with a eye-catchy side decals and 5-spoke yellow rims. Another great car in this case, a recolor of a Lamborghini Miura in beautiful metallic blue paint job with detailed headlights and a 5-spoke chrome rims. A new upcoming Monte Carlo Lowrider RLC. This car functions like an Impala with hydraulic suspension. The color used in this pic is Spectra Flame Antifreeze, however it is not confirmed to be the official color used. So stay tuned. A new Ford Escort RS 2000 in white body with side graphics, with rear 5-spoke grey rims and front disc rims. A new set from Hot Wheels, Fast and Furious. The cars in a set are a Chevy Chevelle 396 in red color, a Nissan Skyline R34, Lykan Hypersport, Jeep Grand Cherokee and a Toyota Supra. Our next Hot Wheels Los Angeles Convention pink car in beautiful metallic paint job, as always pink with retro rims, with white rooftop and back with chrome bumpers. Yo Engine Start Brands presents ELF Scale Wing Custom Truck, color of a car, Advan livery, material made in die-cast. Release date of a truck is September 2022. Hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you can stay up to date. By the way, I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video.